Hi my dear students, again we come back with another important concept related to the decision tree. Previous session we understand the basic concept of a decision tree definition, how to construct a decision tree. Example, as we discussed earlier, I had taken the simple data set containing the gender, height, based on that smaller, medium, taller classes. Now, our questions are like how to pick the which attribute pick first, best attribute. Okay, how to pick best attribute, how to choose the best attribute, and how does the tree decide where to split. These are the questions we got arised last session. Today, now I am going to explain this concept. Okay. Here, as per the questions arised in earlier session, now I am going to discuss about splitting condition. Now, node splitting in building of decision tree algorithm. So, when we are going to split a attribute like gender, male, female, because we know the gender classes called either male or female. So, our attribute is the gender. So, we know the behavior or values we are coming from the gender is either male or female. Simply we are segregating either male or female. So, here build a decision tree algorithm provides a method for expressing an attribute test condition, very important, test condition and corresponding outcome for different attribute types. So, when we want to split, we need to choose the test condition and what are the outcome for the different attributes. There is a chance of here the gender is the one attribute. We have plenty of attributes and their values are different. Then we are going to discuss about the attribute types and splitting criteria. Okay. See, first very simple binary attribute. Suppose the attribute type is binary, means it receive like true or false, 0 or 1, two values. That means we are having only two split conditions. Like best example, gender, male or female, only two values. So, we can easily split male or female. We are going to split either male or female. Okay. So, the test condition for binary attribute generated only two outcomes. We know that we know that binary attribute having two conditions like two values like true or false, 0 or 1, 0 or 1. Okay. Now, gender is the binary attribute because we have two values called the male and female. So, we can easily split. So, one of the attribute type. Suppose attribute type is nominal attribute. Nominal means categorical attribute, qualitative attribute. We learned about the attribute types in the beginning of the attribute types. One of the attribute type is the nominal. So, nominal attribute nothing but the can have many values, not like binary. We have many values for that nominal. Now, whenever we are having the many values, we go with the two approaches. One is multi-way split, another is like previous binary split. Multi-way split nothing but the very simple, what are the values you have, we are going for the splitting conditions. Here I am taking the marital status of a person, single, married, divorced. Generally, these are the three values. In case of previously gender, male, female, but marriage status, the person may not married, means single, married value, married but divorced value. That means we have a many here our example 3 value for the Excel size, because as per my personality I need Excel size. Like as per your convenient, the shopping malls also place the all the dresses different stalls or racks like smaller, medium, XL, large. So that is ordinal. In ordinal also we go with the like multi-way or binary as previous example. Multi-way nothing but the like shirt size. In multi-way how I am going to do shirt size smaller, medium, larger. The same thing I go with the binary smaller and medium, larger and XL, because sets are more values. So we have a XL also 4 values here, 4 values smaller, medium, large, extra large. I make a binary split smaller and medium, larger and XL, like that I am going for the different combination. Okay. This is the in case of the attribute of type ordinal. So we have a binary, nominal, ordinal. Then sometimes data numerical type, we are receiving the data numerical type, means salary, marks, age. So these attributes will receive the numerical values. Then how we are going to do? We can go either binary based or range based. Means binary based means some condition, simply if value is greater than 30 or less than 30, simply the age who got above age greater less than 30 or less than 30 I go like this, or greater than 30 I go like this. Otherwise I can go multi-way split like range, age between the 15 to 30, 30 to 50, above 50, multi-way split here. So that means based on the data we go with the either binary or a range whenever it's a numerical data. So in numerical data I can go with the binary splitting or multi-way split as per the need. So whenever multi-way split I go with the range query. Based on the condition we are going to split the data. Okay. Now I am taking a simple example, as earlier I discussed it. I am having the data set D with a 15 records and gender. So we have two classes, two values, male and female. So this is a nominal or categorical of type binary, and height and class. We have this is output, smaller, medium, taller, 3 classes. Now how to whenever I am getting this data, how to construct a tree? Here gender is a male and female binary attribute. Height is a continuous numerical type, 1.5 to minimum to maximum 2.5. And class, this is size, smaller, medium, tall. Now whenever a new record comes, I want to test a new record, 16th record arriving. I want to decide which class it is. Based on the, I am getting the 16th record. And I need to find the which class is belongs to. Suppose I got a male with a height of 1.9. What class it is? I want to decide. Here we can easily say that because 15 records, suppose 1 lakh records, very difficult. That's why we are going to construct a decision tree. How I am going to construct a decision tree? Simple approach, best approach, as earlier discussion. I am going to take a available attributes, gender and height, or height and gender. That means picking the root node as a gender, then gender we have two things, male and female, splitting. After that gender I check with the height. Finally, class, which class it is. Approach 1, that means I am taking the gender that is gender height combination, gender as a root node and internal node is height. Finally, leaf. Like that I am going to construct. Another thing is height and gender, that means I am taking the height as root node, then I am going to construct. See, height, in case of the gender, with this example, see, gender, all females, all males. So, that means this data I am going to split, clearly I am showing females here, males. Now, second condition is height, based on height less than 1.8, between 1.8 to 2.0. Then based on that I am going to decide small size, medium size. Here also based on this data, small, medium, tall, same information, full construction. Second approach is taking height as a root node, then constructing. So, height as a root node based on less than 1.8, multi-way split here, I am approaching the multi-way 1.8, 1.8 to 2.0, above 2 meters height. So, based on the data I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records. Here I got 2 records, rest 8 records here. Then based on the values, easily smaller, medium, taller. Based on the values, easily I can say that. That means comparatively first one, gender, height is giving the easiest thing. So, with this I can able directly say that smaller, medium, taller, but in this case I need to take gender, I need to take height. Sorry. Sorry. So, the first approach is I am going to take the gender, then height, but in second approach only height I can able to decide the size of a person, smaller, medium, taller. Okay. This is the way how I am going to split the any attribute. Whenever we have a data, then how to pick the best attribute, how to split. For splitting, based on the attribute type. If it is a binary, 2 leaves. If it is nominal or any other, multi-way split or binary split. Ordinal, I go with the multi-way split or binary split. If it is a numerical, I am having the binary or range query, range of values. Based on that, I am going to taking a simple example. While constructing the first approach, combination gender height. Gender is the root node, height is the leaf node. Internal node. Again from that leaf node. But second approach easy, because with the only height I can decide, I can able to identify easily. That means number of iteration is reduced. Here question is rise. Now with this example, we got one more question. Okay, which attribute I need to select? Previously we got a doubt how to split the attribute, splitting condition. After knowing the splitting condition, now we have a question mark, which attribute I have to choose, because if I am choosing gender, I need to traverse twice. If I am choosing the height, only once I can able to tell the size of a person, height of a person. Only height, small, height, medium, height, tall. But here gender, height, 2 times traverse, iterations. So, we have to identify the picking the best attribute as a root node. So, we need to find out which attribute you have to choose. This is the important concept, that is I am going to discuss in coming session. Okay, thank you. Hope you got to understand the basic concept of a decision tree and splitting condition. Next class we are going to discuss about picking of best attribute from the available attributes in a given data set. How to pick which condition based. Okay, thank you.